Rome.
Many women would wear makeup. They would apply white chocolate on their face, red ochre on lips and cheeks, and on eyes they would use compounds of ash. Women in Rome dyed their hair, common colors like red and blonde. Instead of soap, they would use different types of oils which they rubbed on their skin and then scraped off with a metal tool called a strigil.
When a young woman married in her early years, she would leave her home and her family. To be married, they would need the support of both families.
A child born to a slave was automatically a slave as well. Female slaves worked as servants or personal maids to housekeepers.
Wealthy Roman women shopped for goods accompanied by the slaves. They spent money on silk, perfumes, jeweled weapons, and musical instruments.
Their clothing was made of wood or linen. They would have the jobs of spinning and weaving yarn.
They had rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. They varied in color and size. It all depended on wealth.
In poor families, both parents would work. Wealthy Roman women would run the household. Many Roman women would want their own money.
Women would have absolutely no rights at all. She couldn't even suggest an idea to her husband. Her husband was to make her decisions. Only a few women wanted more rights.
In wealthy families, they were tutored by their fathers until they were 6 or 7.